Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today it's another card using the barn door. And this time I call it the open door because you see it's kind of open all the way. So let's get started. First thing that I've done, I embossed a piece of crumb cake that measures 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 in the wood grain here. Now we're going to take this, so you emboss it first. We're going to put that a little bit more towards the bottom like this, and we're going to pass this through the big shot. So I should have put that on top of my plate so I don't move it. So we're going to put that, and it's going to flat a little bit the embossing, but not much at all. Let me make sure it's straight. And let me pass this in the big shot. Oops. Make sure my plate is straight under. Here we go. Okay, now that we get that, we have to cut this completely out. So the best way that I find, I take this here and put it at my first line, so it would be at the 1/2 inch, the opening. Now I line that about just I don't want to give you a measurement because depend if you move it a little bit on the right, a little bit on the left. So I just go just inside this just a little bit and stop it there. See? Now let's remove this. Now what we're going to do is take this and cut this. If it's not enough, I will come back. You're going to have a little dip there. See this? That is okay. And over here. Now I'm looking for my small scissors. There they are here. I'm going to come right back in. Cut this, and if you didn't want enough. So now you get kind of this shape here. Open door. Now let's take the grass that it's from I Tie. That's the one that I'm using, the little one here. So we're going to use that, and also I need crumb cake. Well, we're going to make it do right now. Let's add our grass here at the bottom, like in front of the barn. Here we go. And I'm going to have, I didn't bring my 1/2 sheet of crumb cake there. I'm going to have, I thought I did, but I don't see it. So let me grab a piece of crumb cake. Now let's cut that right now in 2. So 5 1/2. Here we go. And let's fold this in 2. And then we're going to put the grass here also. Oh, make sure this is straight though. Here we go. And I'm going to put a little bit of grass. And I won't go all the way in the center, just like on the side that I get grass. And I'm sure that some places it's shorter than others. It's just like the open door of the barn here. If I need more, then we can come and add more. So we're going to leave that like that. Now I'm going to bring this, and now we're going to add more color on this. I'm going to use the soft suede, and what I'm going to do is just here we go. So now I get that more pronounced. Let me share that a little bit closer. See? Okay, now let's build that. Again, I'm using the number 8 washer. We're going to put our little dimensional in the back. And we don't have no track in the bottom, so it's just the top. Going to put, oops, make sure like this. Going to put the washer on the top. Do the same thing on the other side. This, my hands are full of ink. And right here, take the other one, put it at the top. Now to make the door slide much easier, we're going to put more weights to the door. So with that being said, what I'm going to do is right in the center here, I'm going to put one there. No, I'm almost out of washer here. I'm going to put that right here. And make sure I don't have no glue on this. You know what? Let me grab more washer. These one are number 6, but it's still gonna work for my weights here. I just want so my door don't. It's higher. It's gonna. Oh, that's why it don't glue. Here we go. So it's more heavy and it's don't bow. So I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put one more towards the bottom. Okay, this is going to go this way. So here's the bottom. Here we go. Now you're going to take glue dots, and we're going to add some glue dots to both of our washer. So glue dots. Okay, we're going to do one side at a time. So push that all the way there. Take your, oops, you want to make sure that hopefully, maybe this one needs to be moving a little bit. Was a little bit too much on the side there. Here we go. So that it's pushed all the way. Now you're going to line that up straight. Now push that all the way here, all the way where you want it to stop. Push it down. So now you see, oh, one thing that I forgot, and I think it make a big difference, it's wax paper, and that make it slide much easier. Now when it's going to be put up, it's going to slide good. You're going to take your foam adhesive strip here, put that in the back. Oops. One right here on the side. You think it take a lot of foam strip, but it have to have a good support that it don't cave in. Oops. Cannot go on top of each other though. Well, let me remove that completely. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to mount that on top of our card base. So let's just remove the backing of this here. Here we go, 2 more, and we're ready to roll. And now for the inside, I'm going to use a different stamp set. Okay, I'm going to take this. And it's just a tiny, tiny little border that I got. Et voila. See? Now it's going very good because I got the weights on it. Now you're going to take your little strip, and that is all part of the framelit. You get everything you need in the framelit. If you buy the framelit and the stamp set together, you're saving 10%. All the supplies list going to be listed on my blog. Just above you get the I, or below in the description. You can go to my blog. I'm going to have all supplies and all measurement also there. Going to put that just above the door here. Here we go. Make sure it's straight, no glue on the side. And then you get those little inch there, not inch, but the wheel, the slider. That you want to make sure that you just put glue at the opening here at the top, just a little bit below and at the top there. Because the other part needs to be free to slide. So you don't want no glue at that. It's just floating, put it that way. Let me grab the other one. Again, right here, and that I all pre-cut that on the Big Shot. All those little framelit are part of the die. Put that right here. Now I did, again, this stamp set, it's part of the bundle. It's a hello, like a little banner, and I did that like in wood too. This one I just kept it in that crumb cake. This one I stamped it early espresso though. I'm going to put that right here. Now let's move that. And we're going to put tanks over here. And I think I had black ink. I don't have it here. I got it here. Nope. Okay, I don't know where I put the black inks. That's okay. We're going to use soft suede. I've been doing video after video after video, so. Okay, I'm going to take the tank. It's just not tanks, but tank. Put that right here. And that is from Work of Art stamp set. So I get that, and now I get the U. Move that. And I get the U. Et voila! How simple is that? So now you get, I like it because it's open. See? So this is it, my friend. That's simple. So again, all the supplies will be listed on my blog at FrenchieStamps.com. Below in the directions, going to bring you right to this blog post or above in the eye. That is it for today. Have a lovely day and thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye for now.